Made of high-strength aluminum and brought to you by Prism Medical, Waverly Glen's innovative pressure-fit two-post system is lightweight and easy to transfer. For example, from home to a cottage or hotel. Commonly used with Waverly Glen's innovative P440, the pressure-fit two-post track system is perfect for areas where installing a ceiling track system is not appropriate. Usable with 7 to 9 foot ceilings, the pressure-fit's unique spring system secures it firmly. The pressure-fit's foot pads give it a stable and secure platform with which to transfer someone. Perfect for the home or institution, the pressure fit fits unobtrusively into most spaces. Components. This is a pressure fit. Please note the name of the various key features. The supporting posts, the bottom plate, the top plate, the adjustable track, and the trolley. The distance between the two supporting posts should be 7 to 10 feet. The supporting posts cannot be extended more than 9 feet. When setting up the pressure fit, make sure there is enough room for a wheelchair beside the bed. Start with the supporting posts. Attach the top and bottom plates to the support post. Press the red button on the support post to release the safety lock. Then press and hold the ratchet while you push the top post down. Be careful, the lever will swing out. Next, push the lever up, engaging it with the magnet. Push the top post, foot up, toward the ceiling until you hear 1 or more clicks. The post should be exerting pressure between the floor and the ceiling. Then fully pull out the level and adjust it, centering the bubble. Next, pull the lever down until it rests in place. Push it in to secure it. Look up and ensure that the pressure gauge is in the safe zone. Green must be visible on both sides. Swing back the safety lock and level to their original positions, fully engaged in their housing. Repeat these steps for the second post. Remember that the two posts should be 7 to 10 feet apart. Next, mount the adjustable track. Align the pins of both posts parallel. Hook one end of the track to the post pin. Extend the track and hook to the other post. Then attach the track end caps on both sides. Before you continue any further, do one last check. Make sure the pressure gauge is in the safe zone, with green visible on both sides. Now proceed with mounting the portable lift. Attach the carabiner or other similar attaching device located at the end of the lift strap to the hole of the pressure fit trolley. Be sure that the carabiner is securely attached to the trolley prior to proceeding with the transfer. Disassembly. Begin by removing the end caps from both posts. Then lift the track up and away from the posts, storing it in a safe place. Press the red button to release the safety lock and depress the lever to release pressure from the ratchet. Always keep one hand on the lever during this step. While pressing in the lever, push in and hold the ratchet while pushing the top post down, making sure the bottom pin touches the plastic cover. Then remove the top and bottom plates and bring the level and safety locks back to their original positions and secure all features in a safe place.